warm welcome to Professor Jan Saeed, Director, Office for the Global Peace and Spirituality, Westminster College, USA. She will be presenting her thoughts about the topic promoting a culture of peace. Over to you, dear madam.
Greetings. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Saeed, so much. It's so nice to see you and all the other professors and students that are here. Greetings from Salt Lake City, Utah in the United States, from Westminster College. It is my pleasure to be with you once again. When we speak of friendships, I feel great love and unity with those of you that I have had the opportunity to bring students over to India and to learn from and to serve together. I have a short song that I'd love to offer that is by Ali Yosefi, and he is engaged with over 88 individuals to create this song through the Zoom technology. It's as if we were in person, but not really, especially when you're trying to sing a song. However, these artists have figured it out in this last 2 years. One of the gifts of the pandemic is learning how to communicate when we're not so close together. So this is a song that I feel like brings, well, it talks about gathering all the people beneath the shadow of thy beauty and cause them to unite in harmony. May they become as the rays of one sun, the waves of one ocean, and the fruit of one tree. That friendship is one of those ways that we become that way. And sometimes we'll all have our sounds muted, but feel free to sing along with it. The words are beautiful, and sometimes the raising of our voices without everyone else hearing us can bring that unity of family together as well in friendship. So.
Beneath the shadow of thy bounty, and cause them to unite in harmony, so that they may become as the rays of one sun, as the waves of one ocean, and as the fruit of one tree. Gather all people beneath the shadow of thy bounty, and cause them to unite in harmony, so that they may become as the rays of one sun, as the waves of one ocean, and as the fruit of one tree. Fruit کل را متحد کن و جمیع را متفق فرما. Cause them to unite in harmony, so that they may become as the rays of one sun, as the waves of one ocean, and as the fruit of one tree, as the waves of one ocean, as the fruit of one tree, as the waves of one ocean, and as the fruit of one tree, as the waves of one ocean, and as the fruit of one tree.
It's almost 12 hours difference between India and Utah. And it's a pleasure, though, to be with that family around the world. And on building a culture of peace is really what the Westminster College Global Peace and Spirituality Center is really all about. And having the opportunity to do service, to build friendships on our campus and off campus with individuals, community, and institutions are really a big part of what we're trying to do. And so being here with you on International Friendship Day is really a great pleasure. As the UN website does say, that friendship between peoples, countries, cultures, and individuals can inspire peace efforts and build bridges between communities. Holding events that promote dialogue among civilizations, solidarity, mutual understanding, and reconciliation. That this proposal to create a culture of peace is one based in solving problems. And I know the work with the Bahai Academy, with Dr. Mohite and other individuals across the globe really is what we want to do by building friendships. I don't want to take a lot of your time this morning because I know there are others that are going to participate. And I just want you to know that we would love to be together, but we build those friendships wherever we are and those strengths of community. One of the events that we held recently was a barbecue. And at that, our students received a new jacket that says Courageous Pluralism, and that we're engaging in a global peace and spirituality center this coming year, hopefully much more in person on campus, and building those friendships that can create a society based on really a universal human family and the oneness of the human family. So I'd like to introduce you to them. Omar, who I think is actually on this call, has helped put this video together. And so 6 or 7 of my students have one little phrase of what international friendship means to them. And I thought they could say it better. as they have built these friendships on our campus and around the world. So thank you for having me. And if we could start the last little video for just a few minutes of bringing some of the voices from our community to yours.
Hi, my name is Bahai and I'm from Afghanistan. International Friendship Day forms stronger cross-cultural connections that make our experiences more transformative and help us on a day-to-day basis to fight inequities, injustices, and inequalities around the world. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Samantha Paredes. I was born in Provo, Utah, and what International Friendship Day means to me is understanding that the world is so much bigger than your own community, and you never know what kind of people you will meet and the relationships you can make if you expand your horizons.
Hello, my name is Omar. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. And what International Friendship Day means to me is forming friendships with people from different cultures and backgrounds and having a greater understanding and perspective of the world.
Hi everyone, my name is Alicia Kuhlman. I am from Salt Lake City, Utah. To me, International Friendship Day means an opportunity to embrace everyone as my family. In my faith tradition growing up and in many faith traditions around the world, we say that we're one family under God. But what does that really mean? To me, that means an opportunity to embrace every person as my brother and sister. And so that when I go out there in the world and I travel, I see a person as my friend, but not only as my friend, but as an extension of my family, as my brother and sister. And I hope to love and cherish and serve and value that person as my brother and sister.
Hi, my name is Dalton and I'm from Arizona. International Friendship Day to me is an opportunity to build equity and enrich our own cultural understanding through building connections with like-minded people.
Hi, my name is Emma Ahlstrom. I was born in Sacramento, California, and international friendships are significant to me because being friends with someone from a different culture helps me recognize what aspects of my identity are cultural and what aspects are foundational. And I also really enjoy sharing different aspects of my culture with my friends who are from other places than me and getting to know them through those traditions.
Hello, my name is Rebecca Blanton. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. And International Friendship Day means, what it means to me is reaching out and fostering connections with friends of mine who grew up in different cultures, in different countries, who have different backgrounds from mine, and working to have conversations and support each other and connect in a world that is going through so much, is likely to continue to going through so much, and just working to break down barriers between us and working to spark connection and change that will bring us to a more sustainable and peaceful future. So that is what International Friendship Day means to me.
Happy International Friendship Day! From the Global Peace and Spirituality Center at Westminster College.